see a chise any panel this week. Me see a chin. Because I'm saying, my a shadow. Or see a taking action. So I'm a friend Agradaa no me see a chin this week. I'll see to it see a chino this week. I'm telling you. Sure. A back critical me because I'm a headquarters. Meko RGP and him straight.
You go cry tire, okay? Unkoye case. You have not even write your statement. You are bragging. I will make sure to arrest Agradaa this week. I will force you to respect the IGP. For those baby, I don't know. You are going to the IGP. Have you forgotten the time you were disrespecting that man? Go there. The moment you get there, no, the moment you get there, no, he will give you handcuff.
Abusia say Bekaya beye 2 years ago and na beef be a man homeless so the den our Reverend Owusu Bempah and your mommy Patricia Asiedu and I said Mama Pat.
No. Say na no musam. What say? Catch that ampare say when you yamayama Akufuado mi bu mo no na ho hye no. Mi bu mo no na ho hye no. Wo ti mi bu bom Emma Akufuado the whole president and ho hye no oh. Oh Bempah wo ti mi bu bom physical Emma president and ho hye no. Wo ti mi bu bom physical Emma IGP ho hye no oh. Did I hear that? Did I hear you saying that? Owusu Bempah? Did I hear you saying say me bubomwa na no hye no? Did I hear you saying that? Woot me bubom e mo bi ho hye no. Aya no tiri utum. Aya no fra court. Aya no fra police station. Woot me bubom e mo bi ho hye no. But obi ntimi mubom e ma wo so ho hye no. E ni Owusu Bempah bra ha. Me so ena wiei, ena nwumre yi. Owusu Bempah ena nwumre yi. Me so meri bubom. Bola wono so Owusu Bempah ena nwumre yi. Me so me bubom. Tie.
Osofu Owusu Bempah adi nkomo boni bi adafa. Na no do dan ko Akufuado. IGP Dampare. Any prophet Victor Kusibuatin. Orofo ensemo wo mu no ano hye. Sofo pa na kasa se. Oh fire.
Oh, Abusia, sorry. Owusu Bempah we fake. Also what on when what on when you have sold your credibility all because of bitterness. Between me and you. Between me and you, I called you and told you, say, Owusu Bempah, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be win this election. You know who will win this election. But bitterness, bitterness, also, Wabana auto to Ayampia, Kikansam, catch an MP before some is one more down. More culture MPP for say, Agradaa say moda muna. Catch a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say Agradaa say oda ona. Everything is possible for them. Owusu Bempah has no power. Nanumunsem enfri na sorry them ho enko babia. Oni pebi Owusu Bempah bebe wu bia no eni part-time. Say me catch me papa Dramani Mahama say me Sana ya dia tone so no a divert nema bebre sa Owusu Bempah no a divert nema bebre na atene me a me betra so be ka kire mo atene me dini adwa parts atene muti Owusu Bempah no nsem siamai utso my Ghana mu keka we nyina fa hudi tie no Yenkwa siasama okeka. Kacha dam parese. Akufo do not se ho no. Onim de mayama no. Say ya o. Mo amudi mani atu Owusu Bempah so no. Say ya o. Say ya o. What was say? O jana sorry dem no akeka bia na aluku say. Na amago kra no. Wo campaign na wo ye no. Na ma wo campaign no aluku say. Ah? Na ama wo campaign na aluku say. Campaign ni kra so ni mfa so. Se wodi Jimmy fo ya okasa ye chia. Abuo Jimmy fo Owusu Bempah ya okasa ye chia. Ah? Se wodi na chia ho. I want my name. Owusu Bempah, your election, your batwa. I will never allow you to fool yourself again. It's a promise. I will never allow you to fool yourself again. It's a promise. Kasayanko. Nipada also okone ho no so won fa ne bone nche da. Agradaa ba wo to say bola avo no so. O se woman power. Oni pana wo siwe Agradaa twetwa wani so. Agradaa de nyanse ehye wutirim. Agradaa si giant trone se hu no awugina wa sori dem wona wugimi no. Na wuntimi ma party bi ama ema power. Fro kono oni to me. Fro kono oni to me. Come from fro ko. And you see what's in Queen, the audio, the son. Owusu Bempah, the Kusibuat and Kono. Ah, the audio, the son. Who will be a yami anointing one more? You try to attack that person. Who will be a yami anointing dinner chia? Owusu Bempah, you try to fight with that person. Obi the catcher will say, Fawo Musra, Ekodi etwa kese manenwe. Obi the catcher will say, Fawo Musra. Ekodi etwo akese emanenwe Owusu Bempah bibisa wo obi de catcher say fa wo musra ehye back door ewruku to bloggers emo munyimi. You call yourself a man of God. Social media enjo nyinara eyo Owusu Bempah wa fra blogger we wa ko han dan ma no no wa bie studio no wa tue sika we no ama we no ama we wo de mo aka no imagine social media na so no Papa we ya. Omo ko rukutu mu nre ye. So beti bi ba bi se bejan to kwako. Bola avo so. Won no ko rukutu wo mo nre ye. Owo ni kwase awaje. Ah? Ajugo ehu wo bi atumi, nyame tumi won so. Owusu Bempah, Brabonse ne meka che Ghana for say. Brabonse meka che Ghana for say. E di enti na wo tan Agradaa bebre. Just come out and tell the Ghanaians. But so they are reporting this video. And it goes almost 1.8K. They are reporting the video. Mama love so a bit be a cat. By the video, the yama na day. Timomo love so the video, they are very chilled. Very rich, very because they are reporting it. They are reporting it. Also, Agradaa location. Also, they Momo love no so. Ose mami you are beauty. Momo love no so. Mami. Untie no. What catch the chama untumi? O friend I won't fa. We are selfish. Ose mama part. I told you this man will never like you till you die. You will never agree with me. Of mine. Okay. Of mine. Okay. You said it, and it's true. Or timing. Now, the whole me one person, the whole me one person, the Nyamiaka, actually, I'm a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Abawa sorry. I'm a Nyamiaka will say, or no dear. Nessa say, not Jane, the trimu po, Ninimu dear, ni fishing. I woman on my guarantee. Nyamed your minor, Asherensa. Na meme obaba ko penti wudi meme hu ahi abegina wa sole dem e bon kwase aki ke chisham kwase ankom all because of me uni munyansa Owusu Bempah because of only me wudi meme hu ahi e kwa ko sai ne papa ba omi adeba apostle entry so ala de me nua be ma no was a woman power how is yourself is doing very great wudi meme hu ahi I'm a vision. Any a word Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so. I want the baby boy my Ghana and the digitalization today. And then she camera se bubo chrome. And then see Ghana South today. She camera se bubo chrome. And that's all your arm robber first. Say arm robber attack one. Say you be huna ye betcheno. But I mean, we your arm robber. Omunya bie camera se bubo chrome ni pair. Almost within 5 minutes. Now police have member statement. Yes, yachi omo. And all the social media so ebe making any statement pe ade ebe cheno na hank of egunsa ye be we ye beden. Ye be di nkwa. Ya nwe ya ma ho, ya nwe ya nkwa ho, ya nwe ya future. Not because of miminti. Mimi ho ahinti o. Na sa nyema we nya wo Owusu Bempah wunim say nyame e de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Abra my Ghana. But wo boni e wadi adam paria chi wunti no. Won kwa selfish nti. Wo say Ghana for nto sa nyema papa ni nyina ntomu all because of you Owusu Bempah. Na so watimi abomidin sa miminti Bawumia ene ma papa no ye ntomu dia ene Owusu Bempah. I am here say mechire mu ama atonkrofo adwini mu ama nkrofo mu say oboa eya woni ama fi a wo ye ya ye chewo na wo di hu anibere echimi dai chimie no na wo kasa nko ba bia you don't have any power froko zero o say mama part obi aboa obi is fake Owusu Bempah no you talk shit about Dr. Dampare and you talk shit about Dr. Dampare and you now want his help. Nonsense, you are watching. Abodam Papa, who is Owusu Bempah? Onipana Owusu Bempah ni IGP na front no. Ghanaians, some of us are dumb. Some of us are blind. Some of us don't like to do research. And some of us
anani do na di nimnes of Mame Agradaa entem ema enam so kra ma Reverend Owusu Bempah ekopie wa police for ensem ni ade bi kra kire se nam so e na woni IGP eni MPP fo ni nyina entem enheda enye fesese no eno eba ma Reverend Owusu Bempah eba bonte be ka se nka ye Mame Agradaa asem de se wono Reverend Owusu Bempah pad na no ebebo Agradaa din ana obeka Agradaa asem biem de ene lalai won kan bi mu da na abusua obi nim ne free soro aba beti bayra homam ya ama bayre amo akese ye koda sore ya ene beef no asan ama ne hom ne so de den e wo media no so a ye papa Reverend Owusu Bempah kire say this time around there on famra enhye nsem on to na mo enko ye Mame Agradaa fi o mana asofo nketo bia enko ho nkoye hwe nemum onu ankasa besimu pampampan akọ IGP ho wato nkra enso elema yema pani na adodankwa ekufuado kire se wo ma mpe bibi anka nkire Agradaa ade a eni ena obehwese wode beye no na ensem a Agradaa kan ya enunti ama Reverend Owusu Bempah edisa ensemi ababeto abonte no eno ena mede ba beso mo me kai wo se aha too much gh sa wonya ya subscribe ma page na page mi adoma no so sa no upload bia ba unsa ebetimi aka ebusua ma yenkotie seniors of Mame parts edi Reverend Owusu Bempah esi media na so ahoro no ama Reverend Owusu Bempah akasa ho
se ni pano this week because I'm saying my achedo or see taking action. So my friend Agradaa no me pesi a this week. I'll see to it see a chino this week. I'm telling you. Share a back critical me because I'm a headquarters. Meko IGP and him straight. Ana Christian tetenyo honu. Mamina dimatem say was started said dimatem. Me yane or say me ma rented dan ama buyer bi. Sa buyer ntra dan hu no ni natem. Ana masan so abia studio ama blogger bi. Say onyusu say studio no mfa ni natem. Me so blogger no kra me fa mani kosua say hu ne da. Abaya na o kana asem kra me nim no. Abana kan minim no
I'm saying who na yi ase once pe Mr. Kofi Boachie yi ase asa. Ya so show abaya no ne breast e social media no so. O show abaya ne nakedness. And abaya ne bu ofuna abaya no so di na tem o se me na maba abaya ne pa. O di matem serious Agradaa no wasan start. Sa Agradaa na ma many IGP nya problem. Na meko headquarters. Meko IGP anim. On Sadia no. Ya drew election year. Eti mempese meye bibia mekasa. Enti osofo. Samukwa koye case no. Next woman take action. Meba headquarters to. Se Jubilee House kra meko. E mama nkrofo hu say yeso ye company for mo Ghana ho. Mentimi ma ba ya we ni matam sa twitwa ntontom so sa. Enough is enough. Menya no hwe asuda bia no odi matam. Odi matam so obi anka hwe o. On be ha me na di matam a. Lawyer Dabena obeko headquarters. Okwa koko si Christian tetenyo ho no so. Ananse me di misasare number be ma. Ne koko si o mo so. Na me head yon be case no. So man take any action, me may take action. Action I may take no. Me nka se me ana me take action no. Me ko headquarters to. Na me ni police in penny for akwa meeting. Sani ama we nyina nti ana me bufu MPP for no. Election we on be lusu. Enti se omumu bi ana me it is alleged. Yes omumu bi ana akwhye na chi no ahye da yesa. Osofo headquarters. Obom ya wuto no sasa case no ho. Monkonko revisit sa case ni biem. Na monfa audio sa wo di matem no monfa ni nyina enka honko. Ne yehwe Bempah wo kromu ha. Nyame hira mo. Osofo mapon. Metro aso next week.
You go cry tire, okay? Unkoye case. You have not even write your statement. You are bragging. I will make sure to arrest Agradaa this week. I will force you to respect the IGP. Federal baby, I don't know. You are going to the IGP. Have you forgotten the time you were disrespecting that man? Go there. The moment you get there, no, the moment you get there, no, he will give you handcuff. Owusu Bempah. The moment you get there, no, the IGP will handcuff you for you to disrespect him. How was that? You allow your children to disrespect me, and they will try and trust it. And they will try and trust it. How said they just one video per mini watemo. Maybe one a mini watem. Look at the way you can't even talk, you can't even breathe. So I was saying that here, if I want me shoes, how many months? And I can tell someone I will be a studio man. How many months ni? And what matem? Shall I for how many months ni? And my mean get must stop here. Say it still continue insulting me. How many months ni? You see how it is. Owusu, you see how it is. I will force you to respect the leaders in this country. You don't respect anybody. I'll force you to respect. We are not video. You see, tell your cockroaches to stop insulting me. Police station.
Entebusia say ena ensamnete ena mede ababesomo na se bifi ebepeja kwakodru he se bifi ehe ena ekwo se police kire bi besan abam se ne ekwo ni nyina eba amehye obose mesan ede ababesomo eye too much gh mesro se subscribe ma page we se wonye ya waye so a medase nyame ehwa afi ya kai na fabel no eka honsa no upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka all the social media handles na so okowa eye too much gh eya kai so be like na share wo so edi amame macro